Hi everybody, and today what I've got here is, and this is referring to non-mirrorless camera adapters, a Nikon to EOS adapter, so I can use my Carl Zeiss 80 to 200mm lens. I've not reviewed it yet, but I will do at some point. And the Nikon adapter went nicely on to the lens, so I can use the EOS camera that you're looking at now. And so yeah, I gave it a check, and that isn't budging, and I actually soon figured it out myself, and all you do is that. Now I know that's been a little bit unfair to you, isn't it? So what we'll do, we'll just go in a little bit further, getting a little bit closer to just see what I did there. And as with all things on the interweb, the advice you get can be a bit mixed, so you don't want to break anything, do you? And so on the adapter itself, you'll notice what looks like a little spring-loaded part that's activating a small pin that you can just see in the close-up image, it going up and down, and if we then turn it the adapter around, you can see that there is a little pin coming in and out. And when you put it onto the camera with the red dot to the protruding part at the top of the lens here, I'm not sure what purpose that serves. Let me know in the comments. But anyway, you put it on and you hear this little click, and that little pin disappears into this groove, and what you're looking at now, and that is why you need to then, it gets locked into place, and you need to press that little section which I showed you earlier on, and that lifts up the pin and you can remove the lens. And so with it, it is a little bit fidgety. As long as you can see what you've got to see, that little part that we had a close-up look earlier on, as long as you can see it, it's a little bit fidgety. So if you've got big hands, you may struggle. So all I'm doing is, as I showed you earlier on, just pushing down. So push down, twist, off, and that is how you remove a stuck Nikon to EOS adapter. It may actually be Nikon to another number of other cameras, but this is, I'm talking about this specific one, Nikon to EOS adapter, how to remove it when it gets stuck. So excuse me, I hope that helps. As always, thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.